Are you thinking about expanding your catalog and you're not quite sure which direction to go? You think you may want to go one way, but you just don't know enough, or maybe another? My name is Heather Roberts, and I'm the co-founder of RSG Sales. We help home decor and furniture suppliers grow their e-commerce sales channel. A category assessment is something that we highly recommend, especially if you are entering a new area. So for instance, we actually have a current client and they are interested in getting into the table category. And when we were going through some of the conversations with them early on about how they're deciding what specific tables to sell, we did a category assessment for them. So what is that? Well, another name for it can be market research. But what we did is we broke down the various subcategories under tables. And we then just kind of did a ranking of the most, best price, where you want to be in your price sweet spot. In other words, the price that sells the most. We also did a breakdown of styles, genres. We also did a color breakdown. We did like how many had different options, and just really did a deep dive into each subcategory. And at the end of the day, we were able to help steer our client in a much better direction, and they weren't going to end up kind of doing some of what I call the Me Too products. In other words, just copying everything else everybody has. In turn, they've actually been able to develop something really unique and different, and that is, kind of special for them. So the purpose of the category assessment or market research is to really make sure that you don't get yourself in over your head and that you don't go down a path that isn't going to be profitable. Okay. So another example of that is if you look at the art category, there are millions and millions of art SKUs, and whether that's on Wayfair or Overstock or Hayneedle or Walmart or wherever, there are millions. And one of the most over proliferated categories are canvas wrapped art. So if you take the time and do some research, you will determine that if you are an art company going into canvas wrap art wall decor is not a good option. The chances of your products being found in those search algorithms are really low. So it's really important before you expand your catalog to do an assessment so that you know what sells, what doesn't sell, what's a good price, what's an entry level price, what's a high end price. You just begin to know the category inside and out. If you have any more questions and want to know more about how to do a category assessment, just comment below assessment, and we have a free PDF that kind of breaks down how to do the category assessment. So you can take this worksheet and go ahead, dive in yourself. All right, y'all, have a great day.